with someone being Mithra. That's how I'm going to do it. I have to have someone be the winner with Squirtle, then Ivysaur, then Charizard, which no one plays Ivysaur. I just realized that might be my hardest challenge. No one plays Ivysaur. Like, no one. Okay, perfect! Finally! A Donkey Kong took me this long. Carlos, bet. I don't care. I just want to kill him. I don't care. Try it. I'm a Falco. The word. I'm the word, dude. I'm a bird. Give me a boy. The first Donkey Kong I've seen in like 24 hours. That shouldn't kill me though. So get damn close to. Oh good. Well, sad. Perfect. I don't care how sad your death is, I just want to die. I just want them to be legitimate deaths. Oh, come on. Okay. What are you doing here? Come on, get the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't be long. Well, as I'm recording this, it is a Friday night, aka a Saturday morning, because it's past midnight here. But so be it. In places like California, it's Friday night. Because they're like, what, an hour behind us? Sammy, I hope you realize I need you to just not do that. I really don't need that. Oh my god. Die. Mm-mm. Nope. Okay, you're dead. I just need to kill you. Two hits! 2 hits is all I need! Donkey Kong, let's go! DK. Let's go! Now we'll end the night on that. Oh. Okay. We got my Donkey Kong run. That's all.